So it's official. OnePlus is launching their very first earbud. They're gonna call it the OnePlus Buds. It is gonna come with Atmos, Dolby Atmos support, which honestly I don't like. I really don't like. I have a problem with Dolby now going around licensing even their backyard truck. They're gonna license anything that has a semblance to cell numbers or maybe something crazy. They're just gonna announce it and tell you that it is Dolby Atmos certified. Now, that's not to say that this earbud does not sound great or sound good, but hell no, this earbud is is Dolby Atmos fully capable. This tiny thing can actually even rival some really very decent cheap IEMs. So I already waved that off. But you get what you really pretty much paying for. The battery on this is quite good. You're pretty much getting 5 to 6 hours battery. The charge speed here is quite good, and you are going to get something that is very dynamic, because they claim the Atmos kind of like brings you into the immersion of whatever you are listening to. I doubt this will translate well for this product, but with it, pretty much we know what we are getting ourselves into. Is there more to this? Yes, the earbuds look good, but I really don't feel this earbud is prime enough to deserve so much gimmicks that has been thrown out to it, like the OnePlus being an Atmos product. Yeah, that's pretty much what it is right now. Make sure you follow on social media, subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.